I made blueprints out of this book. I got it from the elementary school. So I made blueprints. And I got it from Great Paper Jets, written by Norman Skimmett. And my name is Thomas. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. I'm using thick paper, really thick. I'm using glue stick. I'm using a box cutter. And I'm using a pencil. And I'm using some blueprints. So this is called a 77 jet. And you can see all these parts. And then you have this Sonic jet. You have the Sonic jet right here. Use it with thick paper too. Then here's a Jumbo Jet 747. So that's it for today. So next time we'll do a video of us building it.